Client A utilities company, was struggling with scaling automation. They had attempted automation but couldn't get it off the ground. Staff didn't fully understand the technology, so weren't bought in, and this led to much resistance and not many opportunities in the pipeline. With a disheartened automation team, developers started leaving for more fulfilling roles at companies with a healthier pipeline of work. With AEIO YOU, the client was able to train their automation team on key aspects of the lifecycle which had been missed out, and use a guide of how to use tools and templates to design a data-backed strategic plan. They were able to identify where the best opportunities were and what priority would tackle corporate objectives the fastest. By having a clear plan, building an automation catalog, and prioritizing using a logical approach, as well as building excitement by running workshops and setting up a SharePoint site, this client had a full pipeline, ran projects with a lot less resistance, and business teams were proactively seeking automation.